Today we're going to explore the lowest common multiple, or LCM for short. Don't worry if it sounds like a big term, we're going to break it down together step by step. And the best part? We'll use some fun and simple examples to help it all click. Before we jump into finding the LCM, let's refresh our memory on what a multiple is. A multiple of a number is what you get when you multiply that number by counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Here are a few examples. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. So, when we talk about the lowest common multiple, we're simply asking, what is the smallest number that appears in both lists of multiples? It's like a meeting point, the first number both sets of multiples share. Let's walk through the method using a simple example, 2 and 4. Step 1. List the first few multiples of each number. Step 2. Look for the smallest number that appears in both lists. And that's it. It really is that simple. Now let's try some examples together. Example 1. LCM of 3 and 4. Step 1. List the multiples. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Step 2. Find the smallest number they share. Both lists include 12. So, the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Example 2. LCM of 5 and 6. Step 1. List the multiples. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Step 2. Look for the common number. Both lists share 30. So, the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Example 3. LCM of 2 and 9. Step 1. List the multiples. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36. Step 2. Find the first match. Both include 18. So, the LCM of 2 and 9 is 18. Example 4. LCM of 4 and 10. Step 1. List the multiples. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. Step 2. Spot the common value. Both lists have 20. So, the LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. Yay! Let's go over what we've learned. The lowest common multiple, LCM, is the smallest multiple that two numbers have in common. We can find it by listing the multiples of each number and spotting the first one they both share. A multiple is simply what you get when you multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. After learning this, you might be wondering, what is it good for? Well, we can use it for adding or subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. When the bottom numbers, denominators, are different, we need to find a common denominator, and that's where multiples and LCM come in. Want to apply what you've learned? Then check out the next lesson, where we'll learn how to find a common denominator using what you already know about multiples.